Our brains are constantly buzzing with activity, processing information, and generating thoughts. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these thoughts transform into the emotions we experience? How does a simple thought trigger a wave of joy, a pang of sadness, or a surge of anger? The answer lies in the intricate workings of our brain, a complex network of neurons, neurotransmitters, and hormones that work in concert to shape our emotional landscape. It's a fascinating process that highlights the powerful connection between our thoughts, feelings, and actions. This journey from thought to emotion begins with a thought, a spark of neural activity in the brain. This activity can be triggered by external stimuli, such as seeing a loved one or hearing a piece of music, or by internal processes like memories or imagination. As this neural activity spreads, it encounters specialized chemicals called neurotransmitters, which act as messengers, relaying signals between neurons. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in shaping our emotional responses, turning a simple thought into a complex tapestry of feelings. Among the many neurotransmitters in our brain, serotonin and dopamine stand out as key players in the realm of emotions. They are often referred to as the feel-good chemicals because of their influence on mood, motivation, and reward. Serotonin, often dubbed the happy hormone, plays a vital role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and social behavior. It promotes feelings of well-being, calmness, and contentment. Low levels of serotonin, on the other hand, have been linked to depression, anxiety, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Dopamine, the motivation molecule, is associated with pleasure, reward, and motivation. It's released when we experience something pleasurable, like eating delicious food or achieving a goal. This release of dopamine reinforces the behavior, making us more likely to repeat it in the future. These neurotransmitters don't act in isolation. They interact with each other and with other brain chemicals to create a complex symphony of emotional responses. For example, a surge of dopamine in response to a reward can trigger the release of serotonin, leading to a prolonged feeling of happiness and satisfaction. Understanding the roles of serotonin and dopamine is crucial for understanding how our brains turn thoughts into emotions. These chemical messengers are the bridges that connect our cognitive processes with our emotional experiences. While serotonin and dopamine are crucial for our overall mood and motivation, oxytocin, often called the love hormone or cuddle chemical, plays a significant role in social bonding, trust, and empathy. It's released during intimate moments like hugging, kissing, and even during social interactions like laughing and sharing a meal. Oxytocin's influence extends beyond just fostering warm feelings. It has been shown to modulate the activity of dopamine, further enhancing feelings of pleasure and reward associated with social interactions. This interplay between oxytocin and dopamine strengthens social bonds, making us crave the company of loved ones. Moreover, oxytocin plays a crucial role in empathy, our ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, to feel their joy and sorrow as our own. This intricate dance between oxytocin and other neurotransmitters highlights the complex interplay of brain chemicals in shaping our emotional responses, particularly in the context of social interactions and relationships. The transformation of thoughts into emotions is not a linear process. It's a dynamic interplay of neurotransmitters, hormones, and brain impulses, each influencing and being influenced by the others. Imagine a bustling city with information flowing through a complex network of roads, bridges, and tunnels. Neurotransmitters are like the vehicles carrying specific messages, while hormones act as traffic signals, directing the flow of these messages. Brain impulses, the electrical signals that zip through our neurons, are like the energy that powers this entire system. They carry information from one part of the brain to another, allowing different areas to communicate and coordinate their activities. For instance, when you see a familiar face, your visual cortex processes the information and sends signals to other brain regions, including the amygdala, which plays a crucial role in processing emotions. The amygdala then releases a cascade of neurotransmitters, including dopamine and serotonin, which in turn influence other brain areas, ultimately resulting in the feeling of happiness and recognition. This intricate interplay of brain chemicals ensures that our emotional responses are not isolated events, but are integrated with our thoughts, memories, and experiences.